Good morning, GSS2 class. From where we stopped in our last class, we started with plane figures, and I gave you the series of examples of plane figures. Remember, I said plane figures are also regarded as flat shapes or two-dimensional shapes. Now, why do you call them two-dimensional shapes? Because they simply have length and they have breadth, right? Fine. Let's pick them one after the other. But for today, I will explain two out of the plane figures we have, which are square and then rectangle. Square. Let's take a look at the square. A square is a plane figure, which we know. If you look at the diagram, you can see that it has four sides. This is what we refer to as the side. Now, let us look at the properties of a square. First, a square has four sides. It is not just four sides, it has four equal sides. All the sides are equal, and the equality behind it, the equality of the sides is indicated by this. By these lines you have. That's to show that they are all equal. Apart from that, a square has four right angles. This is what we call right angles. You can see this box shape. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And each right angle represents what? 90 degrees. Now, looking at a square, you can fold it in four different ways. And that's what we refer to as what? Lines of symmetry. I can fold it in four different ways, and they will all be equal. And for that reason, we say a square has four lines of symmetry. I hope that's clear. These are the properties of a square. Let's take a look at rectangle. A rectangle is also similar to a square to some extent, but in the sense that it has four sides. But if you take a look at a rectangle very well, the four sides are not equal. Look at this. 1, 2. These two are equal. And so we refer to them as what? Opposite sides. Why? They are facing each other. Now take a look at these two. They are also facing each other and they are equal. Remember I said a rectangle has four sides. That's one. Their opposite sides are equal. And that's indicated by this. Look at this. This one, you have one dash, you have another dash, showing that both of them are equal. While you have double dash, showing that these opposite sides are also what? Equal. Now, just like a square, a rectangle also has four right angles at its corners. I hope that's clear. Remember I said right angle represents what? How many degrees? 90 degrees. But you can fold a rectangle in two equal parts, unlike the square. The square, you can fold them in four different ways that are equal. But a rectangle can be folded in two ways. And that's why we say a rectangle has what? Two lines of symmetry. Now, I'd like you to study, go and read about the square and rectangles. I will ask you questions on these sheets in our next class. Thank you.